perfect. That's that warrior spirit. I really like that.
Dude, I know. I was like, I want that.
Everybody's like, oh, get a leader bike. It's like, no. You become a statistic. Yeah, 4-banger. Yeah. Says the guy with the Ninja 500 big dick energy. All right, ready to film? Let's get over here. See, Lorel knows what's up. Shane, oh my God, we have every color of the freaking bipolar rainbow right here. What's going on, Import Face Off? We are here in Arizona where the sun is hot and the ladies are too. And we're about to do the two-step Rev It Up competition where I have a trophy and clout for the winner. Now, this is a crowd-judged competition. So, we're going to make this happen. And this is important because I'm going to need you, sir, to tell me what's going to happen. You ready? You did your hair for the event today, so we're going to make this happen. All right. I'm a bit biased towards this particular color, so I'm going to lean over here towards the CRX. Honda Green CRX. 3, 2, 1, light it up. Tempo in the middle of it. Yeah, I was like, I went from a 4-4 to a 5-4. Yeah, you like that? All right, Integra. Lady driven, you ready? All right, 3, 2, 1, accurate. The little one approves. You good? Is that mom? Is that mom, or did you just meet this lady at the airport and she took you from mom? It's okay, we're all friends here. Probably a crime. We'll do one more? Let's give her one more. Integrity, okay, that was all I read. All right, let's put this to a vote. This is where your opportunity to let me know who wins. Who stays here and who goes the hell to home? No love from Grandma this Thanksgiving. All right, let me hear it for the green Honda. All right, like any good politician, they voted for themselves. Integra. Man, that's kind of mediocre. I'm gonna need to do this one more time. Honda. Now you're waking up. Acura. So there's more people for the Honda, but the Acura people are louder. I'm torn. It's first round. We're already getting into this. Last time I'm going to ask, if you don't like who the winner is, your fault. Honda! There we go. Lady driven Acura! By like one person, she got you. I'm so sorry. It's okay. But hey, man, I appreciate you pulling up. It's case you're so you're good. We have to. Oh, this is going to be fun. We're going to pop that to Lorel. Assert dominance. Pop that tape. We're going to have you pull forward. No, dude, I appreciate you pulling. Take some pair of cojones and pull it first. Yeah. Male or female? Ninja! I like this. You want to make sure no cars see you on the road whatsoever. Ninja ZX6R. Did you do? Is it what year? Did you do the recall? There's 2 recalls. That's okay. That's okay. All right, Ninja. 3, 2, 1. Ready? So here's the secret for ugly guys like me. This is how you get women to be interested in you. With a life hack. All right. We heard the ninja there. You ready? See if you can go another round. Integra. 3, 2, 1. some people operate. All right, let me hear it for the Kawasaki. Some people out there like the two wheels. What about the female-driven Integra? It's the same. Again, did you guys plan this in advance? It's like the same. It's the same. I'm gonna try this one more time. Go! That's it! No! Yeah, we're here, yeah. Ready? Go! Ready? Let me hear it for the Ninja! You got some fans over there. Big time fans. All right. Integra! Again, you're gonna stay right there. You got somebody out there's not to say, hey, ride safe. I mean, well done, well done. Okay. That's what I'm going for everybody to move. All right. Hey, Honda Civic. Front-loaded. All right, slightly sketchy. Little John. Got the side on the handle. Okay. Little John, you ready? Civic, 3, 2, 1. Okay. This child is in pain. Are you proud of yourself?
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
All right. Are there any more cars back there? Is this it? Is this it? Go get your beaver. I know you have a beaver because like most good BMW guys, you probably have socks and a thong and all this BMW. But it's fast, isn't it? Yeah, it is. I don't know. Wait, are you the 3-pedal M4? Nice. Okay, this is the final round. Damn, this was easy. It's an easy pitch. Here, you hold this. Nice. Okay, here's the cool part. You made it to the finals, no matter what. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Just for the malarkey of it all, we're gonna do all of this together as a community. Just go crazy. 3, 2, 1, Honda Acura, go! That's all I'm going to ask to make sure I can hear everybody. Ladies, are you ready? All right, of course, Lindsay's facing the wrong way. That makes sense. It's a blonde thing. All right, let me hear it for the Honda. Now you're awake. What about the Acura? Oh, I think we have a winner, but don't breathe just yet. If we could, if you would please, Miss Lindsay, could you hand that trophy to our gangster right here in the passenger seat who had to endure this guy? Well done. This is for you. Very well done. That is for you. Thank you for competing. I'm sure you're probably the tuner. I understand how that works. like a little bit of dessert. Ma'am, if you would, sir, if you would, give me about another 10 seconds of just raucousness. 3, 2, 1, give it to me! This is free to enter. Thank you to thevote.com. We'll see you next episode. Mr. DJ Sean, please bring that beat back. We will have a little coming up shortly.